Hey there, it's Vicki Marie, and so I am doing Vlogtober, a video every day this month, and I'm actually outside in my back patio area, and let me just show you. On my video yesterday, I was showing you a package that I got, and I said I was going to show you what that was. Well, it's these Impress nails. I've used them before, and I've been getting my nails done, but I decided to, I took the ones from the salon off and just kind of cut my nails down real short. And I did sort of prep them. It's real windy out here, so hopefully you can hear me. But I did prep them a bit, but I am going to put a little glue on and just use and put these on. There are certain things I do just because I can, like going to get my nails done. That's an indulgence. I've been doing it on a regular basis every few weeks. But I thought, okay, let me just try these again and maybe not go to the salon as often. Maybe just go, I mean, I always get a pedicure. I like going to get pedicures about every 4 to 5 months. I go get a pedicure. But I've been getting my nails done every 3 weeks, and I'm like, I really don't think I need to go that much. So I think I'm gonna give these a shot. I'm very limited in what I would want to do at home. I don't want to spend a lot of time, and these don't take long. I've used them before, so I'm gonna sit out here and under my tree, and you can kind of see just how pretty that is. And I can watch my squirrel over there, and yeah, my squirrel's eating. So I'm gonna just sit out here and put these on and listen to an audiobook, and I'll show you guys when I'm all done. But that's what I'm doing on this beautiful Vlogtober day. So I did my nails, and I've been listening to an audiobook, just a novel by Nora Roberts, and yeah, and it's so nice out there, but it was a little windy, so I thought I'll come in here and show you guys the finished product. So I saved a ton of money. This is probably a quarter of what I would pay at the salon. And I don't know, I'll keep you posted, see how long it lasts. My salon, when I get them done at the salon, they last a good 3 weeks. But this last time I got it done, 2 of the nails started coming off. And what I was doing is I was doing acrylic, but I was having them cut them super, super short. And so, and I have done gel polish in the past, so I don't know why I don't, but the gel polish tends to chip off for me and I just have to get it done more often. So I guess in the end, they sort of are, you know, the acrylic might be a little bit more expensive, but it lasts longer, and the gel polish might be, it doesn't last as long, but it's cheaper. So I don't really know. Like, probably they're not that much difference price-wise, but this I can tell you is a lot cheaper. So now I did use the short length, and I cut them, even though they were short, I cut them way down, way down. That's how I like my nails. So yep, I use the Impress with they have the sticky backing, but then I brush on a little extra glue, put them on. We'll see how long they last. And I did buy, I bought the Martha Stewart organizing book. You know, I showed this on a haul from Barnes & Noble. And so I want to show you guys really quick the October. Let's take a really good, quick peek at the October part of it, because she has a calendar for each month and a reminder of things that you want to do during that month. So I thought that might be fun for Vlogtober. So let's take a look. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you. So here's a close-up of the book. And I already talked about this, but it wouldn't be October without carved jack-o'-lanterns and plenty of tricks and treats. But there are many other reasons to love the harvest month: leaf peeping and collecting among them. So it's also when gardens are put to bed and fireplaces are fully stocked. So just a few things on here. Order and stack firewood. We do have a burning fireplace, so that is something we pay attention to. Now it says make, so it doesn't have dates. I've shown you guys before. So, you know, like basically you're thinking, so you can use it year after year. So like the second week of October, third week, fourth week, and on to the last day. So, you know, the dates aren't going to be perfect on here. But basically, you know, clean the gutters, buy cough and medicine in preparation for winter, or make them if you guys make them. I've been making my face moisturizers, so I thought I plan to show you guys that. Start or join a knitting or book club. I'm constantly reading, and I used to belong to a book club, and I might, I don't know, I've been thinking of, I have sort of a book club, a few of my friends, and we get on the phone and talk about books, but we're not like an official book club. Garden, put fallen leaves to work. And then it shows you on page 70 what that means. And this is what I love about this book. It's a totally reference guide. So let's go to page 70. Yeah, so go over so don't just bag your fallen leaves. Go over them with your lawnmower and mulch them. That's one thing. Rake leaves into a pile or bin, and then let mature for at least a year into leaf mold. So you could, you know, put them in some kind of a pile in a compost and let them be. Add shredded leaves to your regular compost, similar to grass clippings. Work the leaves into your soil. By spring, your garden will be all riper for planting, which we have not been doing a lot of gardening this year. That's going to change as we look into his retirement. That's one of the things he'll be doing more of, and I'm going to be filming him do that. And he'll maybe be helping me to learn more. I'm not good at it. Spread a 6-inch layer of leaves as you would mulch to protect plants from the cold and wind. Remove in the spring. So those are some ideas. I thought, well, that might be fun to share with you. And sow seeds for spring vegetables. If you live where the ground is frozen fairly consistently throughout the winter, you can pre-seed crops now for an early spring harvest. Start by digging in 2 to 3 inches of compost. Seed root vegetables. I'll just kind of go over this if you want to read it, but I am going to be planting some bulbs. I have some flower bulbs I'm going to plant in containers. So I'll show you guys that when I get ready to do that. I'll film it. So that's going to be it for Vlogtober day 3. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And let me know if there's anything. Oh gosh. Oh, spooky. The wind just blew the door shut. Roscoe's right here. It even shook him up. It is spooky October. Spooky Vlogtober. You just never know what's going to be happening around this place. But yeah, okay. Well, that's going to be the end of my vlog today. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're doing well. Let me know in the comments how you're doing. If you're doing Vlogtober, let us know down below as well. And I will see you tomorrow. I was going to say I'll see you next time, but I'll see you tomorrow because I will be back here tomorrow with another video. Bye.